Welcome to the installation guide for the LedgerLink app. This is our setup file. We are going to right-click it and select Run as Administrator. By selecting this option, only this user will have access to use the app. And this is where the application will be installed. It's going to take a few seconds. Let's leave this option checked, which will allow the app to launch after finalizing the installation. The app has finally launched. Here we can select the language we want to use for this app. And for trial, I will choose German. And as you can see, the app's language has changed to German. Now I'll return it back to English. And with that, the installation manual is done. So stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use the LedgerLink app.